Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 6 best washing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Portable washing machine 2.3 cubic feet. Full automatic compact washer machine for apartment, 10 wash program small portable washer for dorm, apartment, RV, home. Brand, Zyrk. Capacity, 17.7 pounds. Special, feature adjustable. Access location, top load. Color, silver. Cycle options, hand wash. Model name XQB201A Gray 6D. Included components, drain hose. Installation type, freestanding. Easy to use control panel. This fully automatic washing machine comes with a multifunctional control panel featuring 10 washing programs for water level settings and 8 water temperature options for added convenience. The LED display clearly displays the remaining laundry time, and the child lock ensures safe operation for your family. Smooth and quiet performance. Equipped with an automatic imbalance correction system, our laundry washing machine minimizes shaking and vibration during the wash and spin cycles. This guarantees a safe, quiet, and stable laundry experience, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Perfect for families, this portable washer, with an inner tub capacity up to 17 pounds, is ideally suited for families of 2 to 3 members. It provides reference weights for various clothing types in the description and images, simplifying the loading process and helping you conserve energy and effort. Compact and efficient design, designed for households with limited space, such as RVs, camping sites, dorms, and apartments, our washing machine is compact and easy to use. It requires minimal storage space and is pre-assembled for seamless operation, offering a space-saving and efficient laundry solution. Number 2. Costway portable washing machine. Twin tub 26 pounds capacity laundry, 18 pounds washer and 8 pounds spinner combo with timer knobs, built-in drain pump, compact washer for home dorm apartment. This washing machine can't be 100% dry, only be 90% dry, and it needs to be hung in the sun to dry. Compact washing machine. This portable washing machine allows you to wash and spin clothes at the same time. It takes up little space in your room, making it perfect for apartments, dormitories, balconies, RVs, home and more. 26 pounds large capacity. Our compact twin tub washing machine has a total capacity of 26 pounds. You can simultaneously put 18 pounds of clothes into the laundry tub and 8 pounds of clothes into the spin tub to save valuable time. In addition, the transparent lid allows for easy inspection of the washing/spinning process at any time. Durable motor. Thanks to the powerful motor, you can wash your clothes quickly and efficiently. It runs quietly without disturbing the neighbors. 280W washing power and 140W spin power ensure continuous output and prolonged durability. Number 3. Euhomy 1.03 cubic feet portable washer. 8.8 pounds capacity small portable washing machine with 10 programs, 5 water levels, drain pump and LED display, compact washer for apartments, RVs, homes, light gray. Portable and high performance. Euhomy portable washing machine weighs 39.6 pounds, 18.318.530.7 inches, and can wash up to 20 shirts or 4 jackets. Reference data. The grooves on both sides of the machine are designed for easy movement and transportation. Stainless steel inner drum material is not easy to rust. This apartment washing machine has a built-in removable filter disc for filtering lint and pet hair. Multiple laundry options. This compact washing machine has 10 programs to choose from and an easy-to-use control panel, including normal, standard, power, express, soak and wash, wash, wash and rinse, rinse and spin, 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 and air dry, so you can select the program that suits your needs, and there's also an option for the washer to be timed for up to 24 hours. Water level selection and setting. This apartment washer has a total of 5 water levels to choose from: 17L, 22L, 27L, 32L, 37L. If you need to add water during the washing process, just long press the water level/spin button to reselect a new water level. The transparent lid makes it easy to view the operation of the apartment size washer and the status of the water level. More thoughtful design: long press the water level/spin and program/delayed buttons at the same time for 3 seconds to turn on the washing machine's child safety lock function, then pressing other buttons doesn't respond. The non-slip feet of the compact washing machine can be adjusted for leveling, so that the washing machine can keep horizontal balance even on slightly inclined floors, and will not be easily tipped over by external forces. About our products, Euhomy washing machine is committed to reducing your tedious housework burden and improving your quality of life. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us. Our professional after-sales team will do their best to solve your problems. Number 4. Hava portable washing machine. Small washer, 0.8 cu a foot capacity, fully automatic with 8 wash cycles, touch button and LED display, space saving for apartments, dorms, and RVs. Compact design: the Hava portable washing machine measures 16.53 by 17.91 by 28.5 inches, only utilizing under 2.15 square feet of floor space. One tub serves both washing and spinning functions. Requiring minimal storage space, this compact washer is ideal for small spaces like dorms, apartments, and RVs. Full automatic functionality: the Hava mini washing machine is fully automatic and finishes the washing task with the press of a button, freeing you from daily hand washing. It offers 8 wash programs in 4 water level settings designed for various needs, and is able to perform a spin-dry task alone. Quality materials and elegant design: the Hava portable washing machine uses stainless steel on its tub for durability and easy maintenance. Number 5. Qhou full automatic washing machine, 15.6 pounds capacity portable washer, with drain pump, LED display/8 water level selection/10 programs, compact laundry washer for RV, camping, apartment, dorm build. Multifunction control panel: there are 10 washing programs, for water level mode and 8 water level selections on the control panel of the full automatic washing machine and timer on the LED display. All functions and operations are clearly listed, including water level/rotation, program/delay, time setting, and child lock. It also includes detergent and program options to meet your needs for selecting the appropriate programs and water level according to different cloth. 2-in-1 full automatic washer: this portable washing machine is designed as a 2-in-1 compact washer. All you need to do is selecting the washing and spinning program and water level, then the mini laundry washer could work alone without your constant attention. This could save your time and you could do something more important. Compact design, large capacity: with a spacious capacity, powerful motor and drain pump, this washer is compact and lightweight, but the honeycomb inner drum can hold up to 15.6 pounds of laundry at a time, which allows you to wash multiple loads of laundry, making it ideal for homes with limited space, such as RVs, campers, dorms, and flats. Automatic imbalance adjustment: other portable washer would be violent shaking and vibrating while washing or spinning. Number 6. Panda 1.34 cubic feet portable washing machine. Fully automatic laundry washer with built-in drain pump, 10 pounds load volume, top load clothes washer for apartment and household. Our Panda portable washer provides 4 impressive multifunctions that meet all your laundry needs: soak, wash, rinse, and spin. The compact size, 19-inch DX20WX34H, makes it ideal for apartments, condominiums, RVs, or other small living spaces. And Panda 1.34 cu.foot. Portable laundry washer features a durable, chipping and rust-resistant stainless steel, enables it to hold up to a large volume of 10 pounds of clothes. You can monitor the clothes washing condition from the unique amber yellow transparent and foldable lid. And it offers 10 flexible washing programs for you: normal, standard, quick wash, heavy duty, soak and wash, wash, wash and rinse, rinse and spin, spin and air dry. 5 water levels are available: 1/22L2/24L3/28L4/30L5/33L, which saves your bill. And hook up the water inlet hose with the provided connector directly to your faucet and hang up the drain hose to a sink or basin, then select the washing program and turn on your faucet. This amazing washer will automatically do its job for you. Our Panda compact washer is designed thoughtfully for you and your family with additional features as child lock protection and delay start function, together with auto unbalance detection technology to make sure that you have a pleasant laundry washing experience. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.